Here's a 2016 Volkswagen Golf GTI. It's not a matter of if, but when you'll fit all your gear into the adaptable cargo space of this innovative hatchback. Load up and go with the precision of German engineering and the power of a turbocharged engine while you squeal around corners with control and grip from the XD-S Plus cross differential system. And in case you need it, you'll always get the reassurance of the intelligent crash response system. Every excursion is crafted for your pleasure with a sport-tuned suspension, heated front sport seats, ambient lighting, and a touchscreen sound system. Performance, technology, fun. You get more of what you want with this German-engineered hatchback. Check this one out today.
At Volkswagen Santa Monica, we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's just right for you. Visit us today in Santa Monica, California.